In this video, we'll be going over the amare, toda la vida, trumpet 1. Where it says trumpet A, that's going to be trumpet 1. You guys will be playing the top bracket. Trumpet 2 will be the bottom bracket. So here we go. Beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then there's a response from trumpet 2. Moving on to the A section. We're here on those 8 notes. I'll be doing it twice. 2, 3, 4, 1. Again. 3, 4, 1. Next part, and we have like an arpeggio here. I'll be doing that again twice. 3, 4, 1. Again. 3, 4, 1. Section B. There we go. Do that again twice as well. 3, 4, 1. Again. 3, 4, 1. Next part. Same thing. Just a little bit different. I'll be doing it twice as well. 3, 4, 1. Again, that's 3, 4, 1. Let me do the beginning again. 3, 4. Then we have the second trumpet, and then we go. And again, that's 3, 4, 1, 2. And then for the ending, it's gonna go. The ending's gonna go with the G sharp and the G natural. Just keep in mind on that. It's gonna go 3, 4. And again, that's 3, 4. There you go.